Here we go. Yeah. So you wanted to see my fridge. All them hot dogs are for my Pete, my little doggy. I got a little bottle of tequila, ready to do a shot if I want. Meatballs. Oh, big pork thing. Not too much. Nothing I want to eat. I'm kind of like, well, I got nothing to eat sometimes. I have to cook it. That's another story. All right, there you go. Today's fridge. Leftover chili, leftover spaghetti, extra eggs. I don't. Those breakfast combos have been in there so long, and I'm not gonna eat them. I don't know why they're there. Really. Gotta keep some extra condiments. And more condiments. More condiments. More condiments. Probably too much, actually. And my little gummies. Gummies and stuff like that. Most of you guys know. Alright, that's it. I gotta clean my kitchen still.